So I wasn't feeling that motivated this morning to start the workout, so I decided to do something different and I want you to join me. Let's begin climbing our stairs. So I have decided to climb 15 floors. You can do 10 at least. You don't need more floors. Try to go up and down 5-6 times. So let's do it minimum 5 and maximum depends on you, but at least 10-15 times. Slow down, or you can take 10 seconds break in between. Do as much as possible, don't stress too much. At the same time, don't give up, keep going. So well, that was intense. Here I am on 15th floor and my heart rate is already up. I'm breathing long deep breaths. So let's get on our mats without any break and begin with our core. So let's lie down on our mat and we'll begin with our core exercise for today. We are going to do a leg raise and clap. So I want you to bring your legs up and then come up, clap. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Okay, let's begin with cycling. Bend your knees and start pedaling. When you go forward, try to straighten those knees, point your toes. Make big circles with your legs. 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Try to bring your knee close towards your chest and then push it forward. Bigger circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten those legs up in the air 90 degrees. Then slowly bring them down. Point your toes. Knees are straight. Hold it here. Feel the strength in your core. Almost at 60 degrees. Bring it down as slowly as possible. Do not drop on the floor. Slowly you can come on the floor. Okay. Without any further delay, let's sit up and go forward in a high plank. From there we are going to bring our knee to our elbow, Superman plank. So lift your right leg, then left. 3, 4, 5. Don't be in a hurry, do it slowly. Feel the strength in your arms. At the same time, squeeze your side. Last 4. Don't give up, keep going. And you can. Do not drop your knees, you will go back in downward facing dog. Stretch here for one deep breath. and slowly you may move forward. Stretch your core, coming forward like a flying cobra. Stay here. We'll take a deep breath in. Breathe out. And once again, lift yourself up. And let's sit on the mat. We are going to do Russian twist. So your legs are forward, knees are slightly bent, back is straight, and we are going to twist and bring our hands on the side. So go towards your right, then towards your left. Let's do it 6-7 more times. Feel it in your core. 4, 3, 2, last one. We'll place our hands behind, fingers pointing towards you. Now we are going to move our knees forward and towards our chest. We'll do this at least 6 times. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you can go down. Squeeze yourself. Knees are close to the chest. You can do some gentle side movement. Relax your lower back. And we'll take a 5 seconds break. If you want, you can have some water or just relax there. And when you're ready, get up, come up. Once again in high plank, body parallel. Make sure your hips are not coming down. Body is parallel to the floor. And let's stay here for at least 10 breaths. See if you can come on the edge of your toes. Pull your core in. Engage your shoulders. Stay here. Then slowly you can drop your knees and go back in child's pose. Relax there for 5 breaths. Breathe in. Breathe in. 2 more. Breathe in. And last time, breathe in. And let's come up, lift your head up. Bring your hands back. We'll come to tabletop position. Now we are going to warm up our wrist region. So what I want you to do is take your right hand out, left hand out, fingers pointing towards the side. Now from there, if you want to feel it even more intense, move your body slightly forward and try to bring your fingers towards your body. So your fingers are towards your thighs, your knees. And to feel a deeper stretch, let's do a little forward and backward movement. You can just do some pulsing forward and backward. And as much as you can, try to come back without feeling too much pressure. Just stretch those wrists. You can slowly come out. We are going to do an easy back bend, placing your hands on your hips. Now bring your elbows close to each other, squeeze your shoulder blades and see if you can push your hips forward and go back as much as you can. Wherever you are, just stay there. We'll take one deep breath, and when you want, you can come forward. Doesn't matter where you are, just squeeze your shoulder blades. Deep breath in, breathing out, come down. We are going to do some side stretches on our knees. So you have to take your right leg out on the floor, and then we are going to slide with our right hand on our right side. If you want, take your left hand up, or you can place it on your hip Just try to feel the stretch, try to go down as much as you can. Make sure you're not coming forward, push your chest up. You can look up towards the ceiling and stay there, feel that stretch. One deep breath. Let's repeat on the other side. Left leg is out. And we'll slide towards our left side. Push your chest forward, look up. Deep breath in. And slowly you may come back to the center. We are going to do frog pose. Place your hands on the floor, gap between both the knees. Take your feet outside. Try to place them on the floor. You'll feel a deep stretch. If you feel any pain in your knees, just come out. So if you can stay here, see if you can take yourself behind. You can move forward and go back. Little forward and go back. And feel that stretch. Slowly you can come out. And let's stand up. We are going to do some wide squats. So take gap between your legs and start bending your knees. Go close to the floor and squeeze your buttocks when you come up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to do some gentle pulsing over there. So go down and start pulsing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep pulsing, don't give up. You're feeling it in your thighs. Let's not give up. And let's hold the pose for at least 15 seconds. Keep smiling, feel it in your legs, push your hip down and come
So
up.
we'll do Surya Namaskars on our own. While doing Surya Namaskars, make sure in a push-up, without dropping your knee, go down close to the floor and then come up, just like this. So let's begin. Feel the music and do minimum 6 Surya Namaskars. Little bit faster, get that heart rate up. We are almost at the end. Keep going. And last one. When you go down on the floor, just relax your knees. Come up in flying cobra. Stretch yourself up. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And then you can come down and relax. Place your hands under your head, relax your body and observe your breath. Take your attention to your heart region. Feel your heartbeat. Just stay here for 2 more breaths. Breathe in. Breathe in. We are going to do Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. We have done this before, but we'll make sure we do it in a correct posture. So slowly come up, lift yourself up, elongate your neck, pull your shoulders away from your ears. Try to bring your elbows close to your body, as close as possible, and stay there for at least 5 breaths. Keep pushing your chest forward. Press your palms on the floor. Elongate your neck more and more. Shoulders are behind. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Last one deep breath. Stay there 1 more second. And slowly you may come down on the floor. Relax your upper body. We are going to turn and lie down on our back. And a very good outer leg stretch. I want you to bend both the knees. Place your right feet on your left thigh and then lift your left leg up. Hold your left knee and try to pull it close to your chest. And we'll stay here for 10 seconds. Squeeze your leg. Try to bring your knee close to your chest. Without any movement, just stay there and feel the stretch in your outer thigh, outer leg. Relax your upper body. Let's do it on the other side. Left feet is on your right thigh and pull your knee towards your chest. Try to relax in the pose, taking your attention to your legs, to your thigh. Just few more seconds. Excellent. Now we will do an inverted butterfly. Join both the feet together, interlock your hands and try to pull your feet towards your chest. Try to pull them down. If you feel any pain in your knees, just come out of the pose. We'll stay here for 2 more seconds. Without dropping your feet, we are going to move on to Pavan Muktasana. Squeeze yourself, hug your knees and try to come up, touching your nose to your knees. Squeezing more and more, becoming smaller and smaller. We'll stay here for 1 deep breath. If you want, you can move forward and back. And then slowly dropping your head on the floor. You can move side to side, relaxing your lower back, relaxing your spine, just a gentle movement side to side. Drop your feet and we'll lie down for Shavasana, gap between your legs, hands next to your body. And before we rest, we are going to do Bhramari Pranayam. So just lie down and we'll make sound like a humming bee. We are going to do it 5 times. Take deep breath in.
it on your own. Feel the vibrations in your head, forehead, top of your head. One last time. And now just relax. Bhramari is very good to calm your nervous system. And now we are going to lie down in Shavasana, relaxing each and every part of our body. Drop all your weight on the floor. Just listen to the music and relax more and more. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.